My name's Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip is a double leg kick forward and down. So we're going to go front, down, front, down, front, down. Now to do this, your arms do a huge figure of 8 and just one big figure of 8. As the feet go down, the whole body pops up. So you want to flick your feet forwards, push your feet down, or flick them down again. So the end result, heart rate goes up. You've got long arms. So when you're doing the sculling demonstration on the side of the pool, make sure your arms are long. They're not short, they're not in here nice and tight like we do for a lot of other movement patterns. They're long. So let's have another look at it. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Your feet are reasonably close together. And your arms are long, creating that wonderful figure of 8. So upper body's getting a workout, lower body's getting a workout, heart rate's going up. Is it a big abdominal exercise? I don't think so. Not when I'm doing it right now. I'm not getting the world's biggest ab workout because I think the emphasis is more about what the arms and legs are doing and then that increase in heart rate because of the big movement pattern. So be careful what you say when you're introducing these exercises, because on land, when you demonstrate, it's going to feel like you're using your abdominals. But remember, when you're in water, everything changes because of the limited amount of gravity that you have on the body. So, great cool exercise. You can apply it with the single leg repeaters. Those will work really well. So if you want to go 1, 2, kick, down, 1, 2, kick, down. So there's lots of little combinations that you can do with the double leg action, because then you can add to jacks, then kick, down, jacks, kick, down, jacks. It's a really cool exercise. I really like doing it with things like kick, down, up, 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 kick, down, up, 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 up. So you can, with high kicks. So you can use that move, insert it, to make combinations of lots of other moves. Because you land your feet together, it's a great starting point for anything that you choose to do. And that's this week's Aqua Tip. Demonstrating the forward and down kick with the legs is not that easy. I like using the frame. So if I was to use the frame for this movement, I'd get in it, I'd sit in it, I'd flick forwards, flick down, flick forwards, flick down, and then show that massive figure of 8 action. Then if I want to put the whole picture together, I'd hold onto the frame with one hand for balance. Out, over. And as you push your legs down, feel yourself popping up out of the water a little bit. So that's what I'd cue. Remember to keep your arms long when you're demonstrating this, because it's a big figure of 8 action. And there's only one figure of 8 for the whole thing. So as the legs go forward, the arms go back. As the legs go down, the arms come forwards. So you will see clients do this sort of business where they're trying to just find ways to make it easier. You can do it sitting down. So if you've got a chair, you want to do it sitting down, you can go kick forwards, kick down, kick forwards, push down, kick forwards, push down. And that's just as effective, I think, especially if you want to show the push down so the body pops up. For some people, this might be better demonstration. As a rule of thumb, as an instructor, I spend a lot of time focusing on how I'm going to demonstrate the movement effectively. And if using 2 things at the same time to get the message across is required, I will go for it. So if using the frame demonstrates it well in one way, and then using the chair demonstrates it well in another way, I'll do both. So my job as an instructor is not to sit there and watch my clients. It's my job is to teach. And I'm sure that you feel the same way as well. So if you've got a frame, I'd use it. If you've got a chair, I'd use it. If you've got both, I'd use both. And that's this week's Aqua Tip.